We always talk about stock, but we don't know how to make it. When you are making the stock, always remember vegetable stock, chicken stock, meat stock, like that you get different types of stock. How to make the stock? When making the stock, you take about 4 cups of water into the pan, add a small onion, a small potato cut into pieces, and you can have a carrot cut into cubes, and then cabbage, beans, radish, like that you can use all the vegetables, but do not forget the onion, potato, and the rest of the vegetables you can use, and do not forget a 2-inch piece of bread also. Salt, pepper, turmeric, all that you put and boil it. Nicely boil, 4 cups of water I told you, till it reduces to 3 cups we boil. After we boil and become 3 cups, you take off the cooker, nicely mash it and strain and use that. That's the stock. When it comes to chicken, we can, same vegetables you can use, but avoid the rest of the vegetables. I will give you now. 4 cups of water, chicken bones or chicken pieces, then we add the potato, onion, carrots, you can use small pieces you can cut, salt, pepper, turmeric, and boil nicely, and then 3 cups, it has to come to 3 cups, always 4 cups become 3 cups, and then nicely mash it and take the stock. This stock, for what do we use? This stock can be used while you are cooking rice. When cooking rice, we add water, so you can use half the quantity stock and half the quantity water. It will be really nice and tasty also. Same way, when making gravy, like brown gravy when we make, stock is really essential. Along with that, then you add the other ingredients such as the dry chilies, grind it and use, and then other seasoning like cumin seed and pepper, all that you nicely grind it and then use into the stock along with a little soy sauce, and if you want you can use a little tomato sauce also. Boil and have it. That's the gravy. That gravy will be nice to have it like when we are having a 3-course meal. With the meat to have, we need the gravy. Same way we can make the sauce also. Like sauce, if you are making, we have to make the tomato puree. Boil the tomatoes, remove the skin and the seeds, mash it, and then add to the stock. Along with that, we add all the other seasonings such as pepper, salt, chili powder and all that, and a little corn flour also to thicken. Then it's a tomato sauce. Likewise, chili sauce, tomato sauce, all that you can make, but we need the brown gravy. And how to make all that is a stock. We need the stock, either the vegetable stock or the chicken stock, and then you can make whatever you want to make. Again, if you have no time to do all that, take a chicken cube, nicely mash it, put it into a cup, 1.5 cups of boiling water you put, mix it, and your stock is ready. But which is better? If you can make your own stock, the taste will be different. One day you can make your own stock, one day you can have it with the chicken cube, no problem. You can try both ways and see which is easy, quicker, you can try, or good for health, you can try.